Welcome once again to CIC Construction Digitalisation Award 2021 award presentation ceremony. Our event is about to begin. Please be seated. Hello everyone, good morning. How's everybody doing today? Great. First of all, a very warm welcome to CIC Construction Digitalisation Award 2021 award presentation ceremony. Please allow me to introduce myself. My name is Patricia and I'll be your MC today. May I ask all of you to put your hands together to kickstart today's event? Thank you very much. It's really an honor to be here with you all to celebrate our achievements together. Well, besides our audience attending physically here with us today, we are actually joined by online audience as well, who are watching live broadcast right now. So we would also like to extend a warm welcome to our online audience. We're very delighted to have you. Thank you. Being the first large-scale industry event in Construction Month, the CIC Construction Digitalisation Award aims at recognizing outstanding local projects and organizations of the industry for their contribution to the promotion and adoption of digitalization. We have received overwhelming response from the industry. About 120 projects and organizations submitted their digitalization stories to us. We're very pleased to see that our industry in Hong Kong is setting sail on its digitalization journey. Now, before we review the list of winners, we would like to first invite Mr. Chen Ka-Kui, Chairman of Construction Industry Council, to come on stage and deliver his welcome speech. Please welcome Mr. Chan.
Thank you, Patricia. Permanent Secretary for Development, Engineer Ricky Lau. Donald, Chairman of the Construction Innovation and Technology Application Center. Judges and participants of the inaugural CIC Construction Digitalisation Award. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, and especially those who are online. Good morning and welcome you all to this presentation ceremony. The Construction Industry Council set up the Construction Innovation and Technology Application Center in 2017 to cultivate and promote a culture of innovation among its Hong Kong construction practitioners and to encourage adoption of innovative technologies, materials, and work methods. The 5 areas of focus include industrialization, informationalization. Is CK Wong here today? All this funny name was created by CK. Let me repeat. The 5 areas of focus include industrialization, informationalization, intelligentization, integration, and infinity. Actually, I think you know what I mean. What CK meant. Actually, all 5 areas are interrelated in modern construction technology. We also set up the BIM Committee in 2017 to consolidate the industry's knowledge and resource in BIM and forging its advancement in Hong Kong. With the strong support of the Development Bureau, we have built a strong foundation and infrastructure for BIM adoption and development in Hong Kong. Thank you, Ricky. The usage of digital technology in construction has now become much more common, fruitful, and interesting. We believe it is time for us to organize a competition to celebrate the achievements of the construction industry in using of digital technology, particularly in advancing productivity, quality, sustainability, and safety. Being the first attempt, we are excited by the active participation of the industry. As the MC has just mentioned, we have received about 120 quality entries. We are thankful for the warm support by sponsors also. I have to thank the organizing committee for putting the event together amidst COVID-19, especially in assembling the highly respected 12-member international judging panel, which is not easy at all. Thank you, Donald. Ladies and gentlemen, this award is part of our effort to promote digitalization in Hong Kong. Later this morning, Mr. Donald Choi, Chairman of the Task Force on Construction Digitalisation of the CIC, will announce his game plan on how to further develop digitalization in the Hong Kong construction industry. So please stay tuned. Finally, my most sincere congratulations to the winners and good luck to you all. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Chan. Thank you. Please be seated. We definitely look forward to know more about the roadmap later. All right, now we would like to invite Engineer Ricky Lau, Permanent Secretary for Development Works, the government of the Hong Kong SAR, to come on stage and deliver an opening address. Please welcome Engineer Lau.
Chairman KK, Chairman Donald, Albert, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, and friends online, good morning. It is my great honor to join you today at this Construction Digitalisation Award presentation ceremony, which is the first of its kind for the local construction industry to recognize outstanding local projects and organizations for their contribution in the adoption of digitalization tools and workflows, and in bringing innovation in these areas to improve productivity, quality, sustainability, and safety. We would say digitalization is good. It is our future. But I have a question. What exactly it brings about? So to answer this question, I consult a wise person, my wife. I asked humbly, as usual, what does digitalization mean to you? She picked up her smartphone and showed me the Taobao app, and went on to say casually, I serve Taobao for online shopping, and the stuff I want will then be delivered to me in just a few days with payment done through my fingertips. And it is what digitalization means to her. You know, she is always smart. She defines my home as a workshop. I work, she shops. But this conversation inspired me the power of digitalization. The Double 11 event, more commonly known as 光棍节 in Chinese, which is the largest sale event for online shoppers every year on 11 November. The Double 1 event in 2020 was just another record-breaking year for the retail industry in mainland, with over 2.5 billion orders at a total transaction value exceeding $600 billion in only 11 days. So at its transaction peak, the number of orders reaching the server was over 500,000 per second. What a number. Despite massive amount of data, the user experience was not compromised at all. It is truly a vivid and impressive example to demonstrate the power of digitalization and application of innovative technologies through which an industry successfully transformed and adapted to achieve smooth running of the business to a new horizon. If online shopping industry is a bit far, let's zoom back to our construction industry, an industry which we work in and close to heart. Following the enactment of the national security law and improvement to the electoral system, Hong Kong has been transformed from chaos to governance. I believe that a safe, rational, and inclusive society could enable us to move towards better development and prosperity. The construction industry has been an instrumental driver of economic growth and an enabler of social development for many generations. In coming years, we all know the forecast total construction output will be increased to around 300 billion Hong Kong dollars per year. Many construction projects are desperately needed to meet our present demand for land, housing, healthcare, and infrastructures in our community. To address the forthcoming opportunities and challenges, our industry has shown sense to adopt the Construction 2.0 strategy, which advocates innovation, professionalization, and revitalization. Digitalization is indeed the process of leveraging digital technology to improve business performance and outcome, thereby playing an important role in Construction 2.0 strategy. Empowered by technological advancement on digitalization, we can design and build virtually in advance. I just want to name a few examples. One of the key areas of digitalization initiatives for the construction industry is BIM, which I believe we are so familiar with nowadays. This new generation of digital tools support a collaborative platform from construction professionals at various stages throughout the project lifecycle, and there is much more scope for better solutions to suit individual processes and applications. By now, the government projects have adopted BIM in good pace, and the industry is taking it up progressively. So the next logical move after BIM is the amalgamation of the construction and the industrial process in terms of off-site construction. With the support of digitalization, MIC applies the concept of factory assembly followed by on-site installation, and we have a good result on that. And riding on its success, I'm glad to note that modular integration approach is being developed for mechanical, electrical, and plumbing works, and the result is promising. Now I'm expecting for more application on this construction method. Apart from promoting wider use of BIM and MIC, the government has specified in sizable capital works contracts to adopt digital works supervision system to strengthen project supervision and transform to paperless operation on site. Further down the road, should we explore to establish a common data platform and analyze the data we collect? Imagination, by nature, has no limit. But sometimes resources may be a concern. So we set up the 1 billion Construction Innovation and Technology Fund to provide financial incentives for adopting new technologies with the objective to boosting the capability of the market player in the course of our revolution. To me, digitalization not only brings us the tangible result, tangible benefit, but also helps uplifts the image and makes our industry more attractive to young people. It provides us with possibility to transform from labor-intensive processes to more talent-driven operation, from on-site working environments to factory-like manufacturing yard, from being a boring works to funny games. For any transformation to truly successful and sustainable, it is crucial that the mindset of all practitioners must align. We need to learn new behaviors and foster new working culture in using new technologies and workflow. We understand that it will not happen overnight, but we are decided to embrace the changes and get well equipped with the new knowledge and skills. So in this ballroom, I see many pioneers spearheading the digitalization of our industry by means of BIM, MIC, GIS, IoT, or artificial intelligence. I will extend my sincere congratulations to the winner of today's awards and thank for your contribution again. Here I appeal to you all that every one of us can do something to make a difference for our industry in the journey of digital transformation. I wish today's event a great success and let us set off to explore the limit of digital world. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Engineer Lau, for your sharing. Please remain on stage. The success of our award relied on the efforts of different parties. Now we would like to invite our distinguished guests and organizing committee members to join on stage for a group photo. May we invite Mr. Chan Ka-kui, Chairman of the Construction Industry Council. Please welcome. Architect Donald Choi, Chairperson of the Organizing Committee of CDA. Please welcome. Engineer Albert Chang, Executive Director of the Construction Industry Council. Of course, and members of the CDA Organizing Committee, Dr. Jung Tin Chung, please welcome. Architect Ada Fong. Engineer Vincent Mack. Engineer Dr. Richard Pang and Dr. Winnie Tang. Please welcome them on stage. So once our guests are ready, please make sure we are looking at the camera at the center and smile for this group photo. We would also like to extend our appreciation to Dr. Eric Chong and Mr. Tony Wong, who are also important members of the organizing committee. All right, a few more photos. Okay, would all guests please have your thumbs up? And continue to remain on stage after this photo because we're going to invite Senior Management of the Industry Development Division to come on stage for another group photo. Please welcome Architect Daniel Soon, Director of Industry Development. Please welcome. Mr. Alex Ho, Assistant Director of Industry Development. Architect Stephen Ho, Assistant Director of Industry Development. Please welcome on stage. And we also have Engineer Thomas Tong, General Manager of Industry Development. Please welcome. All right, please smile for the camera at the center. And we would also like to take this opportunity to thank our organizing committee for such a meaningful campaign leading the construction industry in Hong Kong into the digital era. All right, a few more photos. Okay, another one with your thumbs up to signify the success of our award. All right, thank you very much. Please be seated. Thank you. Thank you. Here we would also like to recognize the support from the sponsors and judging panel, first of all, and we're also very thankful to have gathered tremendous support from them. In the following, please join me to thank our sponsors. Our platinum sponsors are China Cam Group, Sun Hong Kai Properties. Gold sponsors include CSL Mobile Limited, 1010 Corporate Solutions, Hong Kong Science and Technology Parks Corporation, Siemens Limited, and our silver sponsors are Arab, CR Construction Company Limited. May I invite all of you to put your hands together to thank our sponsors here. And we also are very grateful for sponsors who supported us with their top-notch products. They are Autodesk Far East Limited, Civil Connect Limited, CSL Mobile Limited 1010 Corporate Solutions, S3 China Hong Kong, Graphisoft Asia Limited, Microsoft Hong Kong Limited, and Walt Disney Imagineering Asia Limited. And many of them have been a loyal supporter since day one, and the CIC Construction Digitalisation Award would not be such a success without their support. And the successful completion of the CIC Digitalisation Award also relies on the unwavering support from our judging panel who helped us select the winners. Please refer to the screen for our judge panel members. They are Dr. Angus Ho, Innotech Affairs Committee Chairperson of Hong Kong Institute of Marketing. Please put our hands together to thank them once again. Engineer Alex Kwan, CEO Asia of Global Infrastructure Solutions Inc. Engineer Daniel Lai, BBS JP, Director of Hong Kong Quality Assurance Agency. Engineer Sunny Lee, JP, Vice President Administration of City University of Hong Kong. Professor Eric Ma, GBS JP, Chief Executive Officer of NWS Holdings Limited. Mr. Ian McKinnon, Director of Bentley Systems, Comet Projects Limited. Mr. Paul Oakley, Director of Oakley CAD Services Limited. Mr. Richard Petrie, Chief Executive of Building Smart International. Mr. Malcolm Taylor, Expert Advisor, Digital of Crossrail International Limited. Mr. Oscar Wong, Head of Client Development of Hong Kong Science and Technology Parks Corporation. Mr. Stanley Wong, SBS JP, Chairman of Advisory Council on the Environment, and Engineer Andrew Young, Associate Director Innovation of Sino Group. Once again, a big round of applause to our judge panel members. And now at this juncture, may we invite Mr. Chen Kao-Kur, Chairman of CIC, to present a certificate of appreciation to our judges present today. Please welcome Mr. Chan on stage. Now, first of all, please welcome on stage Engineer Alex Kwan. Please welcome. Thank you so much for all the support and great effort from our judges to select the winners for us. That's definitely not very difficult, but still challenging because we've received a lot of outstanding projects. All right, a few more photos. All right, would Engineer Kwan please remain on stage, and we'll have another photo later. And next, please invite Engineer Sunny Lee. Please welcome Engineer Sunny Lee to come on stage. All right. I love the idea of having these digitalized appreciation certificates. We're really environmental friendly and really symbolizing digitalization. All right, thank you very much. And next, please welcome Engineer Andrew Young. All right, please smile for the camera at the center. And now would all the judges here on stage please proceed to the center of the stage and have a group photo together. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause again to our judges here with us. Their success is, the support really helps to achieve the success of our event. Thank you very much, Mr. Chan, and all our judge panel members. Please be seated. Thank you. Now here comes the moment we're looking forward to. Around 120 participants enrolled in CIC Construction Digitalisation Award in its two categories, project and organization. But only 23 outstanding projects and organizations are selected and will receive their awards today. First, we are going to present the project category awards. And please welcome on stage Engineer Ricky Lau again, Permanent Secretary for Development Works, the Government of the Hong Kong SAR, to present the award for us. Please welcome Engineer Lau. And let's first present the Merit Award. And the Merit Award for this category is CKR Digitalization Journey from Highways Department Central Kowloon Route Project Team. Please come on stage and receive your trophy. Congratulations! CKR is the first public works project developed with an integrated digital works supervision system to transform data from 6 individual systems to a single project-wide management platform. facilitating management decision in improving quality, safety, and environmental performance. Wow, we see a huge team coming here. Congratulations. All right, would our project team first have a photo with our award presenter, Engineer Lau? Okay. Okay, please smile for the camera at the center. Thank you. Now we will invite a representative from the winning team to say a few words for your award acceptance.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is a great honor to receive recognitions of our effort in applying digitalization in Central Current Routes project. Highways Department has always been taking the lead to promote the application of digital technologies and initiate pilot implementation. Central Current Routes is a mega project with 6 major contracts. One of the major challenges we have is the interface between all these contracts. CKR is the first public works project adopting IDWSS, Integrated Digital Supervision System, which combines the information and data from all these 6 contracts. And the enhanced BIM management tool with integration to this digital supervision platform. The adoption of digital technologies greatly help us to overcome those challenges. I would like to take this opportunity to thank you, our whole project team, including my highways colleague, the consultants and the contractors, all their efforts and contributions along this CKR digitalization journey. Thank you.
Thank you once again to CKR team. Thank you very much. Please be seated. Thank you. So since we have quite many awards being presented today, so we're going to invite the representatives to give a short sharing later here on stage. And for more details of the project, you can always scan the QR code at the back of your badge to look at the award booklet and also our rundown today. All right, thank you very much again. And for this project category, we have another merit award. And let's look at who the winner is. And the award goes to 3 Runway Systems, 3RS from Airport Authority Hong Kong. Please welcome. Promoting and attracting talents is an important aspect for the 3RS project. Now, over 250 BIM practitioners worldwide, including mainland China, Australia, Korea, Japan, Netherlands, Singapore, and the UK, are working on one 3RS project. Well, congratulations to the 3RS team. All right, and now let's have our representative say a few words. Thank you very much.
All right, I got my script here. Right, Guan Ting, Senior Manager of the Runway Divisions. So on behalf of the Runway Divisions Airport Authority, thank you CIC for granting this prestigious CIC Construction Digitalisation Award to the Runway Divisions for this project, three runway systems. The decision for full applications of our digitalization journey starts in 2015. AA strives to continuously excel and adopt digitalization tools to train our in-house champions and transform our workflows from design to constructions to deliver the projects on time and budgets. Last but not the least, we want to thank all our design consultants and contractors who have been working hard on these projects. All of this award goes out to every one of you. Thank you, CIC. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you very much and congratulations once again. Please be seated. Thank you. Now would Engineer Lau please proceed to the side of the stage because we're going to review the winner for the Bronze Award. Now let's look at who the winner is for the Bronze Award in project category. And the winner is North Lantau Hospital Hong Kong Infection Control Center from China State Construction Engineering Hong Kong Limited. Let's welcome the project team to come on stage. Wow, congratulations. The Hong Kong Infection Control Center provides additional 816 negative pressure isolation beds to cope with the upsurge of COVID-19 cases in Hong Kong, which completed in 4 months. We definitely have to appreciate their hard work in helping to alleviate the pressure created by COVID-19. Thank you very much. Now let's have the representative say a few words for us.
Good morning, Engineer Ricky Lau and Mr. KK Chen, the fellow judging panels and honorable guests. Our team and I are truly honored to receive this Construction Digitalisation Award. And it is an even greater honor to be placed in such a distinguishable positions. So we are keen to apply digitalization as one of the keys to the Construction 2.0, and our effort has paid off significantly throughout the process and greatly enhanced the performance of the Hong Kong ICC project. Our special thanks goes to the whole team and everyone involved, and we are truly honored that Hong Kong ICC project can contribute towards the digital transformation of the construction industry. Thank you very much.
All right, thank you very much. Congratulations once again for getting the Bronze Award. Please be seated. Thank you. Now, of course, after the Bronze Award, we're going to review the Silver Award for the project category. And the Silver Award goes to InnoCell from Hip Hing Engineering Company Limited. Congratulations. InnoCell is the first modular integrated construction high-rise building completed in Hong Kong. BIM and DFMA integrations are widely adopted to boost efficiency in the whole building lifecycle. Congratulations to the project team. Okay, once you're ready, please smile for the camera at the center. And now, let's invite the representative of this winning team to say a few words.
So I speak on behalf of the InnoCell project team, including the client, Hong Kong Science Technology Park, our lead architect and consultants, Lee and Orange, and also us, the main contractor, Hip Hing Construction. We thank you, CIC, for organizing this extraordinary event with the good purpose to encourage our construction industry to go digital. And InnoCell is the first high-rise MIC building complete in Hong Kong. It demonstrates a revolutionary, game-changing breakthrough in our construction industry, where we are transforming from a fragmented site-based and multi-trade construction towards a knowledge-based engineering and also industrialized construction. And above all, most importantly, we have demonstrated in InnoCell is the joint spirit and collaboration among all parties, and how the project was run cohesively by both senior practitioners' knowledge and also the younger generation, where innovation is sparkled and new gadgets adoptions are promoted. So altogether, we can make the construction industry safer, better, and then stronger. Thank you.
All right, thank you very much for your sharing, and congratulations once again. Please be seated. Thank you. Now, I'm not sure about you guys, but I'm very excited because we're going to review the Gold Award winner. And let's see which project wins the Gold Award. Cross Bay Link, Chuan Kwan O Main Bridge and associated works from China Road and Bridge Corporation. Please welcome. Wow, let's have a photo together first with our award presenter. Congratulations once again to the Gold Award winning team. The Cross Bay Link is the first and only major bridge in Hong Kong adopting fully digitalized design with DFMA and prefabrication concept to enhance productivity, efficiency, safety, and quality. All right, thank you very much. And now, we would like to have the project team to be staying on stage, and Engineer Lau, please be seated for now, and thank you for presenting the awards for us. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together to thank Engineer Lau for presenting the first category for us. And now we'll ask the representative to share your gold-winning story.
Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. It is my great pleasure to attend this ceremony. I would like to, first of all, thank CIC for selecting Cross Bay Link project as the Gold Award winner of the project category. Also, my thanks go to our partners, namely our contractor CLBC, our consultant AECOM, My Heart, and Hilson, for the outstanding expertise and passion they put in this project. Cross Bay Link is a good example of integrating innovation and digital technology with the project cycle in mind, from design to construction. Surely, this award is not just a recognition of the project achievement, but also an inspiration to the industry towards innovation and new approaches in project delivery. Last, we'll continue to work hard with our project partners to innovate for better performance. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Now, as the project team proceeds off stage, we'll have a representative to do a sharing with us on their gold-winning story.
Yeah, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the Cross Bay Link project teams, it's my great honor to be here to share with you our experience in the applications of the construction digitalizations and these projects. Cross Bay Link is a new iconic project connecting the Jiangkangao Lantian tunnels with One Bao Road in area 86 of Jiangkangao. In delivering this project, we have achieved many firsts in the Hong Kong construction industries. It's first time to adopt the flow-over method to install the full-span bridge of over 10,000 tons. It's first time to use the full-span lifting method to install the prestressed concrete box girder with a weight about 3,300 tons. It's first time to fabricate the S690 high-strength steel for the bridge. The employer is CEDD, the supervisor is AECOM, the contractor is China Road and Bridge Corporations. To go for digitalizations, the key of success is to change the mindset of the peoples. Therefore, from the beginning of this contract, we have formulated the strategy for adopting the construction digitalizations in order to enhance safety, quality, supervision, communications, and collaborations. Based on the common data environment and BIM, our digitalization structure covers 6 aspects. They are digital design and planning, VR 3D CRM platform, robotic constructions, DFMA, DWSS, and digital WIM plus 3D survey. VR 3D CRM platform is a comprehensive management platform which supports visualizations of the 3D GIS and BIM data for the viewer. This platform covers 4 modules, which are planning and design, photo management, deformation management, 3D data management, On this project, the BIM model was fully integrated with GIS information. Therefore, the BIM model could be displayed and manipulated with great geographic details. The site photo could also be displayed and filtered according to their locations. Construction BIM model in LD400 was developed for improving the coordination and collaborations among the various stakeholders. We use the BIM to carry out the clash detection and analysis, to verify the buildabilities, to simulate construction method, to generate 2D construction drawings, shop drawings, and surface combined drawings. And also, we develop walkthrough videos. "3D digital survey technology was also applied for these projects for reality data capturing, which include UAV photogrammetry, UAV photo taking and processing, and 3D laser scanning. 3D digital survey makes survey more safe, more accessible, more cost-effective, and time-efficient, while achieving the sufficient accuracy. The rapid speed of data capture from a 3D laser scanner allows millions of data points to be recorded in seconds. The photo here shows the point cloud steel bridge that was generated by the 3D laser scanner. Even the minor difference of the geometry of the steel bridge could be identified when comparing the scanning data with the design value in the BIM models. DFMA technology has been widely adopted on this project, from the substructure to the superstructure of the bridge, including DFMA for precast shell of the parquet, DFMA for precast V-pier, and also DFMA for precast segment and precast box girder. The digital twin was applied throughout the whole process of DFMA, from the initial stage and design to the off-site fabrication, assembly, and also on-site installations. During the design of DFMA elements, BIM was used to simulate the whole construction process in virtual world to verify the buildabilities. Those details, such as rebar connection details, rebar fixing detail, connection details, even though the barge deployment plan, are all studied in advance in the virtual world before they are constructed in the actual world. Digital technology was also used in the fabrication of the steel arch bridge and side span. With the adoption of the highly developed BIM models, the fabrication of a steel bridge becomes digitalized throughout the production cycles in an efficient and collaborative manner, which makes the fabrication transformed into the new era of intelligentization, informatization, and automation. The process of fabrication, such as the shop joint production, the material procurement and preparations, welding, sub-assembly, and assembly, are all integrated with BIM-based platform. Thanks to this technology, we complete the fabrication of 400-meter steel bridge in just 17 months, despite we encounter the outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic in earlier 2020. DWSA's adopted in this project has enabled the team to better control and monitor the off-site fabrications in efficient and effective ways. The system is capable of creating the list of tasks timely, assigning the task to teammates, and analyzing the data collected automatically. The data could be transmitted beyond the time and space limitations in a timely manner. This system is used both on-site in Hong Kong and also off-site in mainland China in a few precast yards. Productivity of inspection and supervisions was increased by 80% thanks to the DWS applications. Robotic construction was also adopted on this project for many construction activities. We use the hydro-demolish robot named Aquajet Cutter to trim the pile head of bore piles, which offer benefits such as low dust and noise, less number of workers compared with the traditional method. Also, robotic breaker was used to work in combination with aquajet cutters in training the pile head. All those robots are remote controls with great enhancement of productivity and safety. In fabrications of steel bridge, like U-rib and diaphragms, many types of welding robots was adopted. Those robots has been proved to be more reliable and efficient than human beings, especially for those inaccessible locations and complicated and precise weld. We also developed formwork removal robot to strip the inner formwork after casting the precast concrete box girder in the casting yard. The robot was equipped with hydraulic piston to retract internal formwork for inside the box cell. This robot is found to be very efficient and effective when working in a small and congested works area inside box girders. And most important, this robot improved the safety of the works significantly. That's all my presentation. Thank you.
Thank you very much for sharing your award-winning project. Thank you so much, Mr. Wang. Please be seated. And now we'll proceed to the organization category. There are 6 subcategories, including client, consultant, contractor category A, contractor category B, startup company, and training research institute. Now we would like to invite architect Donald Choi, chairperson of the organizing committee of CIC Construction Digitalisation Award, to come on stage and present the awards for us. Please welcome architect Choi. And now let's start with the Bronze Award for Organization. And there are 2 Bronze Awards in this group, and the first one goes to Corporate Intelligence of the Architectural Services Department. Please come onto the stage. Congratulations. The Corporate Intelligence Initiative was added to Architectural Services Department's business plan since 2018. Steering committee and working groups have been set up for staff from all branches. They also engage industry partners through seminars, visits, and forums to promote collaborative innovation. Now let's have a photo with our presenter, also chairperson of our organizing committee, to have a photo. Please smile for the camera at the center. And right away, we're going to invite a representative to say a few words upon receiving the award.
Well, thank you, CIC, for organizing such great event and give this award to us. This year is our department's 35 years anniversary, so it is really exciting and meaningful. Our corporate intelligence initiative won't be success without the support from the trade. Sure, we will continue our effort in cooperate with the industrial partner to drive digital construction. Let's build our city and our dream together. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. And thank you so much from this project team. Congratulations again, and please be seated. Thank you. Now, once our guest is ready, I will be presenting the second bronze award, and the award winner is Digitalization Journey for Smart Drainage Services Delivery in Drainage Services Department. Congratulations. Please welcome the project winning team on stage. 7 pilot projects applying BIM technology was set up by the Drainage Services Department to enhance the design and construction process in 2013. A departmental BIM management system was established in 2017 to ensure the consistent high quality of BIM deliverables. Congratulations again, and now would you please share a few words with us?
Thank you, Mr. Choi. Thank you, CIC. I'm pleased to represent DSD to receive this award today. This is absolutely encouraging, not just because it's a recognition to our work, but also a motivation to me and my team. I have to say this award is the result of teamwork, and I have to say thank you to my teams here. For those members, they are not on the stage today. I have to say their contributions are no less important. Thanks again to the team, and thanks CIC. Thank you.
Right, thank you as well, and congratulations. Please be seated. Thank you. Now we're going to reveal the organization category Client Silver Award, and the award goes to Airport Authority Hong Kong. Congratulations. Wow, under its smart airport strategy, Airport Authority has been investing in new technologies to enhance services and operational efficiency. They work closely with business partners and technology companies to develop and employ innovative solutions to redefine the future travel experience. I'm sure all of us look forward to traveling again very soon. And now let's have our representative say a few words for us.
Good morning, everyone. On behalf of Airport Authority, the runway divisions, and together with my teams, thank you CIC for granting this award to us. Established in 1995, AA key mission to excel in the operations and development of HKIA in collaboration with our partners is by fostering a culture of innovations. Most of our new construction projects have adopted extensive digitalization process, BIM, and digital tools. And AA has continued to enhance its facilities by adopting various latest technologies and improve passengers' experience and operation efficiency. Throughout our digitalization journey, our philosophy has always focused on nurturing our in-house champions, transform our internal workflow with ever-quickening pace of technological advancement. Again, this award goes out to all our collaborators too. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you very much for your sharing, and congratulations once again. Please be seated. Thank you. And now we're going to review the Gold Award winner. And the winner of the Organization Client category is Electrical and Mechanical Services Department, Hong Kong SAR Government. Please put your hands together and welcome the Gold Award winner. Congratulations to EMSD. EMSD has investigated in the integration of BIM and various operation and maintenance systems and tools to streamline workflow for smart facility and asset management systems. All right, congratulations once again to the Gold Award winner, and also please thank Architect Choi for presenting the awards for us. Please put your hands together and thank Architect Choi for presenting the awards. Please be seated. And now, please share your few words. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Chairman, Mr. KK Chen. Permanent Secretary, Mr. Richard Lau. Chairperson Donald Choi. We are exceptionally delighted to win the Gold Award in the Organization Client Technology category. EMSD commenced our digitalization journey, named as E&M 2.0, in 2018. We adopt a holistic approach, deploying state-of-the-art technology and collaborating with researchers, academia, startups, and the trade to embrace innovation and technologies along our journey. With a humble start to integrate the localized building automation systems scattered around the territory, we enrich them with the Internet of Things, apply and expand our BIM AM, set up the territory-wide, government-wide Internet of Things network, build the digital twin, establish our regional digital control centers, applied AI and big data analytics, developed the semantic AI, etc. And the journey goes on and on. We are glad to share our experience with the trade, and we are also especially privileged to hold the Global AI Challenge for building E&M facilities recently. Winning the CIC Gold Award is the greatest encouragement to our team. I take this opportunity to express my heartfelt thanks to our dedicated and innovative staff, the support from our partners, client department, and not the least, the Development Bureau. For all our endeavors, our ultimate goal is deploy technologies to enhance productivity, quality, and safety, to maximize our public value in serving our client and the community, energizing the trades towards digitalization, and contributing to building a smarter and sustainable Hong Kong, the leading Asia world city. We will contribute to drive ahead, co-innovate, and co-create with our partners and stakeholders to unlock the unlimited possibility of the digital futures for the betterment of the society. Thank you.
Thank you very much, and congratulations once again. Now with the other team members, please proceed off stage and be seated, and we'll have the floor to our representative to share your Gold Award-winning project.
Chairman Chen, Engineer Lau, Architect Choi, honorable judges, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. First of all, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to CIC for organizing such a meaningful competition and for organizing today's ceremony, which provides excellent opportunities for sharing of experience in digitalization. I feel deeply privileged to represent the EMSD to share with you our digitalization journey. The E&M trade is one of the essential downstream industries of the construction industry. EMSD provides engineering services to government departments and public organizations in implementing, operating, maintaining E&M systems in government venues as well as public infrastructure distributed throughout Hong Kong. EMSD has all along been promoting digital transformation and application of INT in our engineering services. Since the turn of the millennium, EMSD has already adopted the remote monitoring system, an early version of IoT, to monitor the proper operation of submersible pumps in subways for enhancing safety during rainy seasons. Over the years, we have continuously provided digitized E&M engineering solutions for various government departments to maximize public values. To echo the directive of the 2017 Policy Address on I&T development and smart city development of Hong Kong, the EMSD has established the Digitalization and Technology Division, or DTD in short, to strengthen innovation and digital transformation. And the Indo office was established under DTD to collaborate with the I&T sector. The steering committee on I&T has also been set up and chaired by our director to provide directive and oversee I&T development at the top level. Staff across EMSD are fully engaged via numerous initiatives, including the annual I&T competition, the Inno Challenge, Inno Team projects, which are proof of concept trials done by ad hoc cross-functional teams, as well as seminars and workshops on new and emerging technologies. In our trading services 5-year strategic plan, formulated in 2018, a clear roadmap for the department to head towards E&M 2.0 was charted. E&M 2.0 is a term we commonly use to mean digitized E&M solutions with I&T. The plan tackles the challenges and opportunities arising from technological advancement and rising public expectation on quality of public services, productivity, safety, and sustainability, etc. Signature projects under the plan include development of BIM-AM and government-wide IoT network, or GWIN in short, as the core foundation for facilitating the provision of digitized E&M services. Furthermore, over 400 major government buildings are being digitized, and regional digital control centers are built to empower real-time monitoring and to enhance E&M assets' operational efficiency and performance. Let me give you some more details of these key initiatives. The EMSD started to build the government-wide IoT network, GWIN, in 2019 to support digitalization and real-time monitoring of engineering assets. GWIN is a government network consisting of various types of sensors which are connected to gateways through long-range technology, or LoRa in short. We make use of GWIN and LoRa sensors to conduct remote monitoring of E&M equipment and support smart city management. The LoRa sensors enables equipment monitoring on near real-time basis that help enhance operational reliability, effectiveness, and efficiency. GWIN proves to be an effective means to support numerous construction-related applications, such as smart sites for safety using IoT sensors for construction safety alerts, smart drainage system to monitor river or sea level for speedy alert of potential flooding, tree management, etc. GWIN is especially useful at places with poor mobile coverage and frequently encounter in new development areas or in rural areas. For digitalization of government buildings, we have integrated electrical, mechanical, air conditioning, and building services systems into a single application, the IBMS, or the Integrated Building Management Systems, for easy monitoring. We have also established Regional Digital Control Center, or RDCC in short, collecting digitized E&M equipment status from GWIN sensors and IBMS for remote equipment monitoring in real time, indicative alarm for fault responses, and energy management, with the ultimate goal to enhance E&M assets' operational efficiency and environmental performance through AI and big big data analytics. We can monitor assets at multiple sites remotely via centralized dashboards with equipment status and alarms at various dispersed sites, and track status of equipment, of emergency equipment and on-site condition via visual images, thus supporting effective coordination of staffing and relief measures during crisis. Recently, we have further developed a semantic AI prediction model, combining knowledge graphs, natural language processing, and AI, and is portable across buildings and provides great flexibility for optimizing system operation and energy saving on a wider scale. To streamline O&M workflow for smart facility management or asset management, EMSD has developed the BEAM-AM system, integrating data from multiple O&M systems and tools into one single platform since 2014. The system functioning as a digital twin enables maintenance staff to use tablets to quickly locate equipment, perform remote monitoring, and fault diagnosis, which greatly improves the efficiency of O&M services. We were granted the patent for the BEAM-AM system in 2016, but we have all along been collaborating with DVB and CIC to share the technology to the construction industry so that the industry can better deploy this new technology to take O&M services to a new era. As I mentioned at the start of my sharing, that we are providing a wide range of engineering services, so not only do we need to digitize our own systems, but we also need to help our clients to innovate and digitize their systems and processes. With the introduction of pro-innovation government procurement policy in 2019, EMSD is now assuming the role of innovation facilitator to support and facilitate government departments to apply new and innovative technologies to enhance their services. This is a huge task, and it's hardly possible for EMSD to do it alone. So we have formed strategic partnerships with 5 local universities, 7 local research institutes, as well as 3 I&T organizations in the GBA. And we launched the Inno portal to facilitate the matching of the needs of the government and the trade with I&T solutions from the startups and R&D institutes. In closing, we believe our digitization work over the past few years will not be successful without the wholehearted dedication of our staff and the full support from our clients, the trade, and our I&T partners as we co-innovate and co-create a new digital era and support smart city development for Hong Kong. This concludes my sharing, and I hope you will find that useful. Thank you.
Thank you very much, of course, for sharing your Gold Award-winning project. Thank you once again, and congratulations to the EMSD team. Thank you. Now we'll move on to the consultant category, and may we invite Dr. Zheng Ting Cheng, member of Organizing Committee of CIC Construction Digitalisation Award, to come on stage and present the awards for us. Please welcome Dr. Zheng. And now we'll start from the Bronze Award, and let's look at which company or organization is getting this Bronze Award. And the award goes to Ryder Levette Bucknell Limited. Please welcome the project team to come on stage and receive the award. Congratulations. RLB Hong Kong was the first quantity surveying and cost consultant firm in Hong Kong to achieve ISO 19650 certification, committed to leading the implementation of BIM and emerging technologies that support cost planning, procurement, and cost management throughout the whole project cycle. And now we would like to invite the representative to say a few words. Congratulations again to RLB.
Ladies and gentlemen, first of all, I would like to take this opportunity to thank the jury for awarding this prize to us to recognize our achievements. Also, thank you to all of our staff who have devoted a lot of time inside and outside office hours to make our digitalization journey happen. Quantity surveyors have always been looked upon as being passive in the technology advancement, relying on hard copy documents and drawings and producing bills of quantities and reports in hard copy formats. We recognize this has to change, and we transformed ourselves to embrace digitalization. Indeed, QS is one of the appointed parties under ISO 19650. Of course, now it's only a start. Coming, we fully support the roadmap of e-tendering with BIM for betterment. We are excited about our achievements, and then we are committed to continuing our digital transformation journey jointly with all industry stakeholders. Thank you.
Thank you very much, and congratulations once again. Please be seated. Thank you. And now we are going to reveal the Silver Award, and the award goes to Digital is Differentiator, AECOM Asia Company Limited. Please welcome on stage. Please put your hands together to congratulate the Silver Award winner for Organization Category Consultant. AECOM strives for better use of technology to design more flexible ways of working and further enable digital delivery that improves client experience and increase efficiency. Well, congratulations once again, and now may we have you say a few words.
Morning, everyone. Thank you, CIC, for giving us the award. This is a great recognition on the past few years what we are doing. In AECOM, digitalization is not a slogan. It's a spirit embedded into our daily work. We utilize digital technology to transform our workflow, to improve our quality, so that we help in simplifying the organization structure, make everything become a quality deliverables. But we think not only transforming ourselves is the best scenario, we always work closely with our clients, partners here, to transform ourselves and also support their digital journey. Ladies and gentlemen, digitalization is not a choice anymore. We need to think how to adopt it and get the best out of it. So thank you once again, CIC, for the award. And the award not only goes to the team member on the stage, it goes to everyone in AECOM, and every one of you here, our partners, clients, and our friends. Thank you again.
Thank you so much, and congratulations once again to the AECOM team. Thank you. And now here's the moment for us to reveal the Gold Award of Organization Consultant category, and the winner is Arab. Please welcome. Congratulations. Arab developed various digital tools and techniques to solve special social problems and achieve change in different aspects, including transport, cities, infrastructure, energy, sustainable development, and ESG. Wow, congratulations to our Gold Award winner. And also put your hands together and thank Dr. Zheng for presenting the awards for us. Please put your hands together and thank Dr. Zheng. Please be seated for now. And we would like to have our Gold Award winning team to share with us their gold winning story.
Okay. So thank you, CIC, and thank you, the Construction Digitalisation Award Organizing Committee. Very proud to be here to receive the Gold Award. And of course, there's a big team behind the scene to work on it. So I would like to say that for Arab, digital transformation is a necessity. It's not just a nice thing to have. We launched our digital vision and digital strategy in 2017. We set an ambitious goal to be the digital leader of the built environment. And there was strong commitment and support from the firm at all levels, with major investment set up to guide and direct the implementation. And there was significant progress were made in the past 3 years. But I can see it's only going to accelerate in the coming years. We strive to enhance the way we work through digital tools and solutions, which are widely adopted, support, and improved by our 16,000 colleagues working across the globe. Through a digital transformation program, we create awareness, motivate, challenge, and empower our own people to accelerate innovation while digital transformation. We want to engage all our staff to embrace digital and to improve the value we deliver to our client and the outcome for the society. Our digital transformation is based on 4 work streams: data, automation, services, and products. These are underpinned by digital technology and a transformation program. Leveraging on our digital knowledge and skill, digital analytics and visualization approaches, as well as capability on digital technologies, we are able to achieve our strategic objective in automation, innovation, and creation of reusable digital tools to automate and improve our everyday workflow and efficiency, achieve better outcome for our project, and offer better, and in some cases, new services to our client. For us to be successful, we need to equip our people with relevant skills and mindset. We have launched various training programs, workshops, forums, sharing sections, and online training resources to empower our engineers with digital awareness and essential skills so that they can actively adopt digital tools to solve engineering problems. To many in the ACE industry, digitalization may mean using BIM or recruiting a team of programmers to apply digital tools at work. At Arup, we are keen to engage everyone. Digital is for everyone and embed in everything we do. With our extensive experience from running AI programs to create new AI services, we are able to distribute our digital knowledge across the firm and beyond, raise the digital awareness of our clients. Our role and importance of providing data strategy advisory enable us to deliver future-proof outcome for our client, help clients prepare for the future of AI, and contribute to sustainable development. We embed digital in everything we do. Whether we are regenerating neighborhoods, redesigning transport infrastructure, or discovering new ways to reduce energy consumption, we are committed to pursue sustainable built environment and solve challenges of climate change, urbanization, and resource scarcity. We are not just engineers, but analysts, strategists, and digital specialists. And we continue analytical innovation, digital creativity, emerging technology with our multidisciplinary domain knowledge. For this to happen, data is the foundation. Just use a bridge project as an example. Arup's unique data infrastructure enabled the combining of diverse data sets to build a complete picture of the bridge condition and its performance. The combination of spatially linked data set such that a large amount of varied data can be easily captured, queried, allowing for fully integrated and layered analysis. Benefit of automation allow engineers rapidly access to well-structured data. The data pipeline allows data set to be uploaded and processed by an existing suite of analytical tools or newly scripted analysis, and that feed interactive visualization for engineer or operators to view in web browser. We not only use digital to solve engineering problems. We also develop various digital tools and techniques to solve social problems and achieve step change in different aspects, including transport, cities, infrastructure, energy, sustainable development, and ESG, environmental, social, and governance. One example is our in-house developed tool, Neuron, a smart building platform that uses 5G and BIM to collect and display real-time data and use AI technology to analyze, automate, and optimize building performance and enhance energy efficiency. The tool has won several green and well-being related awards, such as the Hong Kong ICT Awards, Green Building Awards, Hong Kong Green Innovation Awards, and the CIC Building Performance Awards. It brings a new dimension to the entire value chain of building industry, from asset management to operation and maintenance, define new benchmark on how digital brings benefits to energy saving, operation optimization, human comfort, and user experience. Carbon reduction is a very hot topic lately in town, particularly with Hong Kong's commitment to be net zero before 2050. Building contribute to more than 60% of Hong Kong's carbon footprint. Neuron Carbon is providing an intelligent way to measure and manage carbon emission and resources management performance. Neuron captures a complete record of emissions for the whole life cycle of a building, from embodied carbon to direct on-site emissions, such as generators and cooling systems, to company cars, purchase energy, water, material, and waste recycling. The analysis also helped to set target and implementation plans, reducing carbon and providing an evidence base for carbon offsetting. Here is another example of how digital can help to achieve a safer and more sustainable future. Leveraging on our domain expertise, we developed a machine learning-based landslide susceptibility and assessment tool using GIS and LiDAR image to estimate landslide risks of hills and natural slopes. We adopt open source processing with Python to automate elevation data, enhance landslide susceptibility map to identify landslides and potential cases, which are helpful to mitigate the risks and prevent disaster from landslides. We shall further integrate the system to cloud and to advance our processing analysis and deploy the model both locally and worldwide. The digital revolution is well underway and is impacting every aspect of our clients' business, as well as our own, in a profound and exciting ways. The revolution is being driven by powerful and ubiquitous technology, rapid increase in computing power, combined machine learning and artificial intelligence. But that doesn't mean that an engineer's role can be replaced. Instead, the future is about human and machines complementing each other's strength. Collective intelligence will help to provide us with the right information, available options, and the insight we need to quickly make decisions so that we can have more time and headspace for productive and meaningful tasks. Thank you.
Thank you very much, and congratulations once again to our organization Consultant Category Gold Award winner, Arab. Thank you so much for the informative sharing of your winning project. All right, next we're going to announce the results of Contractor Category A. May we first invite Architect Ada Fong, member of Organizing Committee of CIC CDA, to come on stage and present the awards for us. Architect Fong, please welcome. All right, now we'll first start with the Bronze Award, and let's look at the screen and we'll review the Bronze Award winner, and they are China State Construction Engineering Hong Kong Limited. Congratulations. Our team members can make use of the stairs on both the center and also on the side to come up the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together once again to congratulate the Bronze Award winning team. CSHK combined innovative elements of MIC BIM, DFMA, and ARMR for inspection in project management. These digital solutions were essential to ensure construction quality. Congratulations once again, and now we would like to invite a representative to say a few words for us.
Thank you, Ada, and thank you for all the experts. I think it's a real big honor for us, for our team, and China State has been focusing on and working tightly on the construction technology, including the digitalization. And we started benefit from it, including this award. And I think we will keep going and keep running for our target. Thank you.
Thank you so much, and congratulations once again. Thank you. Please be seated. Now we're going to review the Silver Award of this category, and the winner is, they have already been here on stage, Hip Hing Engineering Company Limited. Congratulations. Please come on stage and receive the award. That's another project. Wow. Hip Hing has developed BIM automation tools to enable fast and accurate checking and ensure compliance with statutory requirements in mass drawing production. All right, when our team is ready, please smile for the camera at the center. Let's stand closer together and let's smile for the camera for the center for the photo. All right, now we would like to invite a representative to say a few words upon accepting the award.
Thank you, CIC organizing committee and the judging panel for giving us this award. So I just heard my friend Michael Cox say data is fundamental, but I would like to say data is the king. And you know, digitalization brings disruption. But however, disruption brings opportunity. And I would like to use the quote from John Kennedy. He said, change is real life, and those who look at the past and present are certain to miss something in the future. So in Hip Hing, actually, you can see, you know, we have a young and old mixture. You can see, actually, digital is in Hip Hing DNA. Thank you.
Thank you very much, and congratulations once again. Please be seated. Embracing change and get ready for all the transformation. Now let's reveal the Gold Award winner, and the award winner is Gammon Construction Limited. Please welcome on stage. Congratulations. Welcoming on stage the Gold Award winner for Organization Contractor Category A. Gammon has established a BIM department and a digital entity dedicated to furthering the commercial opportunities of the innovations. All right, when everybody is ready, please smile for the camera at the center. All right, ladies and gentlemen, please also put your hands together and thank Architect Phone for presenting the awards for us. Please be seated for now. Thank you so much. And we'll have the mic to our representative here on stage, and the floor is yours.
So I'd just like to say a big thank you to CIC, the judges, and the organising committee. It's a great honour for Gammon to pick up the award today, and it's It's been a long journey, and I think I'd be remiss without actually making a mention for Thomas Ho, our past CEO, who really started this journey many, many years ago, and I think it's a testament to Thomas's efforts. Yeah. So for me, I'm fairly new to technology, and and also you can see where I am. I'm reaching the end of my career, and I've learned two things perhaps in this last year or two that I've been delegated into this task. And I think the first one is it's not all about the technology. Often we're seeing lots of great technologies today, but we've got to remind ourselves first and foremost, it's about fixing problems, it's about fixing pain points in our projects. The second big learning is surround yourself with young people. And one of the things I've seen over these last few months, and I'll show you on the slides in a short while, bringing young talent into the industry is really going to be what's going to create the future for us all. So again, thank you very much, and look forward to just presenting a little bit more in a short while. Thank you.
Thank you very much, and congratulations once again for winning the Gold Award. Now the team members can proceed off stage for now and be seated. And we're going to invite a representative from Gammon to share with us their award-winning project.
Okay, so I'll just show a short video just to kick things off, and then I'll go into a few slides. Thank you. quite a lot in there. So normally I'd talk for a long while. I've only got 10 minutes, so I'll just pick a few topic areas. So in terms of the Gammon North Star, I mean, our journey started, 2019, where we identified really as off-site manufacture as one of the key elements of how we can reduce critical labor resources on site, improve quality, improve safety. And really where we started that journey was looking at, we're very fortunate within Gammon of having our own innovation team, our data scientists, gamers, engineers with an IT bias, and we develop our own solutions under the banner of digital innovation at Gammon, which is inward focused around fixing our pain points. But also we realized that we can't do it all ourselves, and with Digital G, we've created what we call an innovation incubator, where we go out to the industry in Hong Kong, the GBA, and internationally, and search out those best-in-class technologies, bring them back into Gammon, and also to share them in the broader construction industry. But then you ask, why are we doing this? And Construction 2.0, really the pillars is really around how can we go for smarter new methods of construction. So the little diagram that I actually drew up yesterday of how can we present really what that really means as the building of the future. So the roof that we're trying to hold up is those smarter methods of construction, the DFMA, the MIC, the MIMEP, and that they're all then supported by a number of pillars of technology. The technology on their own really just doesn't work unless you've got underlying to that foundation of the BIM and the common data environment. Next slide, DJ. You then, ask yourself, how do we then sort of innovate internally? How do we revitalize the way we've done things in the past? How do we improve our professionalism? So one of the things we've done in Gammon is really set out a digital strategy now for the business and for each of the projects that we have. We really embrace innovation within Gammon. Last year, we had a year-long innovation competition. I see some of the people in the room today were our esteemed judges for that competition. But it's also not just about technology, it's about the process and the way we approach innovation. So we work with BSI, and we were very, very proud to be the first company in APAC to be awarded the Innovation Kite Mark in terms of our processes and the way we manage innovation. I talked very early in my initial sort of acceptance of really, a lot of this is around how can we then nurture young talent and bring that into the business. So we look at doing internships, we've been involved in hackathons, and also, how do we get BIM and digital as upskilling for all within the business? Next one. So it comes back down to our platform. This has been given a few names. It's the butterfly or it's the spider, but really what you've got here is quite simple. And today, a few of the other presenters have talked about common data environments. But at the center of really everything we're going to do now is this common data environment that pools information in from design and planning through construction, through our digital apps, the paperless apps that other presenters have shown, through the asset management information that we collect on our projects and that we can feed in for the future operations for the whole of life of a building. And the issue there then is how do we create this single source of truth from the information that we collect, so that we can reuse and repurpose that information through the whole life of a project, through into the operation phase as well. We talked about innovating within Gammon. Here's just one example of how we've developed our own internal DWSS platform, and it was great to see CKR being awarded the Project Gold Award where this was deployed. And again, what we're looking for here is how we create the single source of truth to reuse and repurpose data. And not only that, is then how can we start to connect that with other elements of the construction process, so with other third-party DWS platforms, with IoT sensors, how we can then start to integrate that into the BIM model. Digital G, our innovation incubator. So again, two real parts with that of how do we bring in new technologies to Gammon and to our client projects that we've got to improve productivity, to improve quality, to improve safety in the way we deliver our projects. But then how do we share that technology to the broader industry? So we can pass that on, we bring the technologies in, we get the approvals, then we can start to share that to really bring the whole of the industry up. And then how does that feed into the overall storyline of what the smart and connected construction site of the future will be? We collect lots and lots of data. Sometimes it's hard to visualize. And we see now with the interesting part when we had sharing with Development Bureau earlier in the year, that they're seeing the virtual realities being quite a key element of their ICWP platform. And as Gavin, we see the same. And we've invested, we've built our BIM cave, our immersive smart lab in our office in Quayside. And we see now how we can start to visualize the data so people can now start to be interactive and use that data going forward to help them with the way they deliver what we call the last 100 meters of construction. Okay. So just a very quick overview. I can talk for a long while, but I thought that will give you a quick snapshot of where we are. So again, I'd just like to thank everybody from CIC for recognizing the efforts of Gavin, and we're very happy to accept the award. Thank you.
Thank you very much, and congratulations once again for getting the Gold Award. Thank you so much. And I'm sure you can check out more about these winning projects on their details on the award booklet that you can download. All right, congratulations once again. Now, as we finish contractor category A, the next group, of course, we are going to have contractor category B. And now we would like to invite engineer Vincent Mack, member of organizing committee of CIC CDA, to come on stage and present the awards for us. Please welcome engineer Mack. And for this category, we are going to review the Gold Award winner. And the Gold Award goes to... Very excited. And the winning team is Atal Engineering Limited. Please welcome on stage and congratulations for winning the Gold Award for this category. Atal has set up an innovation fund to support research and development and the development of products and solutions that have market potential. All right, please welcome the Gold Award winner, Atal Engineering Limited. All right, first have a photo with our award presenter here on stage. Let's smile for the camera. Congratulations, and ladies and gentlemen, also please thank Engineer Mack for presenting the award for us. Thank you, Engineer Mack. Please be seated for now. And we'll have the Atal team remain on stage and share with us their acceptance speech.
On behalf of Atal, I'd like to say thanks to CIC for organizing this award. And I think it's, of course, very good for us as Atal and the industry and construction industry as a whole. We see that a lot of effort has been done, and from our experience, we do not just need our own E&M expertise. We need the collaboration of main contractor, consultant, client, and also technology providers, startups, etc. So I think it's a really collaborative effort, and we really enjoy working with so many partners in our journey. And I hope we can do better and better on the next years and so. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, and congratulations again. Now, the team members can first be seated, and we're going to listen to the Atal's journey of digitalization. Okay, over to you.
Thank you. So I would say thank you for all. And before I go into the projects, I would like to say a few words about thank you colleagues in doing so. We do a lot of corporate investment in here and recognition to our teams. So in our company, we have an innovation committee to help us to steer the effort, see the direction. We have many vicious innovation ideas coming from our staff and also from our leaders. We want to prioritize them and to make sure we start with the ones that are easier to make early success, because we all know that innovation or digitalization may have some pushback and may have some challenges. So we want to make sure we start with the right path. So we have our chairman leading the committee and also annual event in helping us to bring innovation prototypes and recognize these activities. So we hope we have leadership and staff buy-in into that. And also, we have some training programs on the mindset and tools, and also visits and sharings with our industry. This also equip ourselves with the new technologies on what we can do and what problems we might help to fix in our E&M works. And also, we have our financial support on this. We annually budget 5% of our net profit to try new things. So I would like to say thank to the senior management of the company to be willing to financially support this. Not all the projects are successful at the first time. And I think that is a really important message that we bring to our colleagues and even to our partners, that we are eager to try the new technologies, even not successful at the first time, but we will get things better over the time. So this is also crucial. So Innovation Fund and also Smart Ideas. So what do we do in the past? We start from our core expertise, which is our E&M expertise. We know how the process is, and we build around it on 6 key focus areas that we want to make sure that we do good. We start from a smart city all the way to the smart building, environment technologies, etc. And this comes up with clear focus on what we might try to do. First half is what we call product. We want to have new products to give to our clients, E&M specific for existing buildings and also for buildings in constructions. This is our product. And then we go to the process. Of course, construction is a key project, a key part in it. So we make use of MIC and MEP. In there, what can we do to do digitalization? And also what other workflows we can do, put data in it. Also in the maintenance area, etc. So smart construction, smart workflow, these are some of the key areas. And also, we try to put digitalization in safety. So maybe I quickly summarize some of the key products. So this is a key product we use for the data optimization. We make use of existing buildings data, especially starting with the HVAC, which is the highest power consuming part. We optimize the data based on existing and real-time data to optimize energies. So based on our prototypes and also existing clients' feedback, these have helped to save 10 to 20% of our already quite good performance buildings, office buildings or shopping malls, on the energy efficiencies. So data is the king, as some of the presenters have said, and we try to make use of it to have a better environment, optimize energy. So we have also received some awards and on that with different events. Another thing is also on existing buildings. We try to build an IoT platform, and also our clients will use it to visualize and also centrally store this data. So the one I use example is HVAC automation. It's just a first application. We hope to build all the applications on that. But before we can build applications, we need a platform to store it and show it for further analysis. Because data is the king, but we need more data to build good applications that can solve problems. So after the product, we focus on the smart construction. So we have known about MIC, and also we put it on the MEP area. So we call it MEP, also with help from CIC. With this, we have different stages that we need to take care of, and how does digitalization help us? On off-site fabrication, one of the key areas is how do we make sure the data that we capture in factory and also on-site are in sync, and we can track the materials and also the details. So we, for example, we use RFID tags to track the status of each MEP components. And this is, at first, this is painful for us because we need to apply the system and tag in place. But at the end, we find that it really helps us to track the useful information, starting from material on site, and then material in factory, and then material leaving the factory, the inspection there, and then arriving on site. So these are the data that we can really use it to convince the client, the consultant, that everything is done on good quality, no matter in factory or on-site, and we save time and enhance the quality in this MIMEP work. And we also work with university. This is an example. We work with Hong Kong UST on this. We try to build the digital tools to automate the capture of objects, E&M objects, especially to build it as the as-built BIM. So it has, we use an indoor drone to scan the data, and also we develop the program to optimize the recognition of the data points into BIM objects. So we're now on the course of that. Smart workflow, I would like to highlight, there are many, many apps and applications. One is not just in the construction, but after constructions, how do we maintain it? So these are the maintenance data. We move from traditionally paper-based to a more easier way to use it and capture it, using the mobile phone at the fingertips. So I'm sure that this is already implemented, and there are some screenshots of it. This are implemented in all our maintenance work, and we are actually working with our clients to make sure our clients also take these digital records to replace traditional ones. And some of the ones are constructions. We have attendance tracking, and we also want to make sure attendance tracking not just for us, but for our subcontractor. So this is an attendance tracking system for our subcontractor and us to have a same page of attendance data in one system. So these are, again, some of the screenshots really helpful in our projects. And also we can share this and also confirm by our subcontractor and on the attendance. One of the key part in our E&M industry is we have different forms of testing and commissioning. So we know that we need to try to make it better from paper to digital form. So we have these digital apps, and also replaces our existing paper-based digital testing and commission, especially for E&M. So we do the reports here. And also the site stock management. E&M, we have all different kinds of site stock. We need to sometimes split our existing E&M machines into different components for stage-by-stage installation. So we want to manage it with our digital apps. So hence comes the digitized site stock management. And this is a report from this. And lastly, workplace safety. We also put into our E&M logs to the safety areas. And also a smart helmet. We also apply smart helmet in our safety zones. So these are all the projects that we have seen. And I hope these 6 areas will keep working with all the collaborators here and do more. Thank you, CIC, and thank you all.
Thank you very much for the sharing, and congratulations once again for winning the Gold Award. Thank you, Atal team. Next, we'll review the winners for the Startup Company category. But first, let's welcome our award presenter, Engineer Dr. Richard Pang, Organizing Committee member of CIC CDA. Please welcome on stage, and he'll be presenting the awards for us. Now we'll first be revealing the winner for Bronze Award for Startup Company. And let's look at the award winner. And they are Llewellyn and Partners Company Limited. Congratulations. Congratulations. You may want to proceed on stage to receive your award. Congratulations. LPC is the first BIM innovation startup of the Hong Kong Youth I5 BIM Research Laboratory and an incubatee of Hong Kong Science and Technology Park. Congratulations for getting the Bronze Award. Let's have one member on the other side and we'll have a photo together. All right, please smile for the camera when you're ready. Thank you very much. And now we would like to have a representative to share with us your acceptance speech.
Okay, thank you very much, CIC, for inviting us today. And we are very honored to receive this special award as a startup, which is very encouraging. I deeply appreciate my team, our partners and friends, Hong Kong STP and Hong Kong U, who have been supporting us in developing a local CDE, ISO, and ISO trainings to solve the silo workflows and changing the mindsets. I look forward to seeing the industry transformation in Hong Kong under the support of CIC, and we will continue contributing this. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much and congratulations again. Please be seated. Thank you. And now we are going to reveal the Silver Award winner, and they are from Respect Intelligence Inspection Limited. Please welcome on stage. Congratulations. Respect strives to create a safer, smarter, and greener sustainable development and environment. Congratulations on winning the Silver Award for Organization Startup Company category. Okay, now let's have a photo with our award presenter, Engineer Dr. Pang. Okay, and now we'll have the mic over to a representative. Okay.
Thanks for having us. It's a great pleasure and honor to have this award. It's really a big recognition to Respect. We'll continue to work hard and make more contribution to AI for sustainability. Thanks very much.
Thank you so much and look forward to exciting projects. Thank you, Anne, and congratulations. Please be seated for now. Thank you. And now here's the moment to reveal the Gold Award winner for this category, and the Gold Award goes to Veradise Limited. Congratulations! Veradise Limited is getting the Gold Award for Organization Startup Company category. Their platform combines BIM, GIS, and IoT data to create integrated 4D visualization that puts together BIM models, terrain and as-built data from drone survey, live IoT data, and workflow management systems. All right, and ladies and gentlemen, please thank Engineer Dr. Pang for presenting the awards for us for now, and you may now be seated. Thank you very much. Please put your hands together and thank our award presenter. And now, over to you.
Thank you. On behalf of Veradise, I would like to thank you, CIC, for recognizing our work in construction digitalization. Although some people may say they see us doing all the advanced work in applying digital twin in projects, I have to point out that it's not Veradise doing all the work alone. Actually, different parties contribute a lot in projects. For example, CIC. CIC provides a lot of support in promoting technology adoption in the industry. Also, different government departments, especially CEDD, gave us opportunities to try new technology in their projects. Main contractors also work in hand with us to implementing solutions in their daily life. So I have to say thank you to everyone in here. And by only collaboration, we can move forward together. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And now your team members, please be seated, and we'll have a representative to share with us their innovation project and their golden adventure. Now over to you.
Hi, everyone. This is Terence here. I'm really happy that CIC recognized our recognition in digitalizing the construction industry. So before I begin my presentation, let me quickly introduce what Veradise does. So we're basically a digital twin solution providers. We provide digital twin for construction management service, including construction AI, installing sensors for different projects, and provide using digital twin technologies to provide a centralized management platform for construction data or even enterprise data. So today I would like to, for today's presentation, instead of sharing our digital technologies and my company digital strategy, which might be irrelevant to most of you, I would like to talk about my digital journey instead. So many people always ask me how I become digital engineers, where I originally started my career as a geotechnical engineer. Why would I devote myself into this industry? So my answer is always simple, because I'm lazy, because I don't want to do all the manual work, and that's why I apply digital technologies into my daily work. I still remember my first design project. It was a ELS design in Science Park. And then I'm sure most of you will understand when you submit a design to BD or to GEO, you get comments over and over again, and then I need to change my design. And then I need to change my design calculation, repackage it, change all the handwritten calculations. So I was really annoyed by it, and then I wrote my first program in Excel. Just a click of buttons, I generate all the design calculations and generate all the design reports I need. And then I realized, okay, this is really, really useful for daily work. Can I apply it elsewhere in more general area? And that's how I start my digital journey. And since I captured so many design data, I then wrote a machine learning algorithms to learn from all the historical design I did. It basically generates new designs based on some key inputs and historical data. And because of this, I'm able to create design 50% faster than before. And after that, I further automate the design drawings using parametric design and BIM, linking Revit models to my design Excels through Dynamos. The Revit model will update automatically, reflecting my latest design, saving my communication time with my draftsman. I'm also able to visualize my design in 3D and refine it in much faster pace, saving hours of design work. And this is how I start this journey. I go digital, not because it's new, it's advanced, or it looks cool, but because it helps me work faster and in a better way. I find it satisfying when I create new workflows and navigate between works in an elegant way. I can see there are still a lot of opportunities for us to improve the way we work, and that's why I decided to drive digitalization in this industry. Later on in my career, I started to apply this principle further, monitoring construction works, monitoring productivities, monitoring site progress and safety, etc. And in 2019, I decided to start this company to promote digitalization and digital transformation, not just in a corporate level, but even at the industry levels. Right now, we're doing digitalization service in different projects, providing digital twin, helping people to manage their construction project in a centralized platform. Project managers will be able to see on their computer exactly what is happening out there, or even run some analysis on what's happening. Also, with the help of IoT technologies, people are able to monitor all the dump trucks, for example. Where are they? How many dump trucks are working on site in real time? They will know exactly where they stop, where they do the dumpings, and monitor the performance and quality, even idling, so that they can make better decisions. Besides plant utilization, safety is also a huge concern. So we also help them monitor every single workers working on site, where they are, how long they've been working, did they get a heat stroke, or even they fall down. And all these can be achieved using IoT and digital twin technologies. And of course, AI play a big role in this digitalization journey as well. We are able to monitor with CCTVs if any people entering the danger zones and in 24/7. And this is the power digital technologies can bring to the industry. So right now we're serving over 20 projects in different sectors, from civil projects to building projects, and trying to work hand in hand with different companies to drive Construction 2.0 into the projects and work collaboratively with the industry partners. So, I've been driving this for quite some time, and I learned a lot during my journey, during this journey, and I would like to share some of them with you in here. So the first, even though I do digital every day, I always remind myself digital is just a way of working, not my ultimate goal. My goal is to work faster and better for construction projects. I can have all the rocket science I have, but then it's not necessarily driving my business forward. I always remind myself and my team, we are not an IT company. We are engineers who solve problems with new technologies. The next lesson I learned is digitalization is actually all about standardization. Digitalization is more than just buying softwares or installing sensors. It's about structuring your works, your daily workflows, and even your business so that you can monitor it or automate it in a better way using digital technologies. Computers are actually not that smart. It only does what you tell it to do. So I think it's good for us to take digitalization as a chance to standardize our workflows and truly integrate it into our business instead of adding something on top of it. And finally, the most important learnings I find is digital transformation is actually not about technologies, but about people. Digital data, like I said, itself has no value. Value comes from the actions taken by people after they understand the situation or know more about your construction projects. So it's critical to train people to understand data, to make use of them, to improve their work, and eventually the business core. Did we spend enough on our people rather than technology itself? Did we train our people enough for them to go through these evolutions and adopt new technologies in this new era? And these are the questions I always ask myself when I run the company. Construction technologies, construction digitalization is actually a cultural change, and it might take years. We don't always succeed when we adopt innovations or new technologies in projects, but we try, we may fail, but eventually we'll move forward together if we work collaboratively. And that's all I would like to share today. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Terence, and congratulations once again from Veradice Limited. Thank you. You may be seated. Thank you so much. All right, now we're going to present the awards for the last category of our award, and they are from the Organization Training Research Institute. This is a very meaningful category because winners of this category are nurturing future leaders of digitalization. Now we would like to invite Dr. Winnie Tang, member of Organizing Committee, to present the awards for us. Dr. Tang, please. In this category, we have 2 bronze winners, and let's look at the screen and we'll review the first winning organization for the Bronze Award, and they are from City University of Hong Kong, Department of Architecture and Civil Engineering. Congratulations! Well, the department has been conducting research and consultancy projects in the field of digital transformation of architecture, engineering, and construction. Congratulations to City University. Okay, let's move the camera for a few photos. Congratulations, and please remain on stage. Would you like to share a few words with us upon accepting the award?
Well, we would like to thank the CIC for giving us this important award. We are so honored to accept this award. At the City University of Hong Kong, we put technology at the core. That's why the university has initiated 2 very important initiatives. The first being the Hong Kong Tech 300 to nurture the young entrepreneur. The second is the Tech Tiger, once again, to help students to have an innovative mindset. So in the future, the Department of Architecture and Civil Engineering will continue to leverage these programs to train up our students to have an innovative mindset in construction digitalization. So with that, thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you so much, and congratulations once again. Please be seated. And now would Dr. Tang please proceed to this part of the stage, because we're going to reveal the second winner for the Bronze Award. And the second Bronze Award goes to Transcendence Company Limited. Congratulations. Please welcome the award-winning team to the stage. Transcendence Company Limited was established in 2014, focusing on the integration and application of big data, AI, cloud-based analysis, IoTs, 5G technologies to the construction industry. Congratulations once again. Now let's smile for the camera at the center when you're ready. All right, thank you. And now let's have a representative to share with us your acceptance speech.
Thank you, everyone. It's a great honor. I thank you very much to CIC for presenting this award to us. We developing our own smart construction solution last year. By receiving this award is to a huge recognition and encouragement to us. I believe that imagination turns into innovation and motivation. Therefore, special thanks should be given to my team and partners for transforming our imagination to amazing solution for construction site. We have made a big step forward, but nothing can stop us. We should keep it up, and thanks again. Thank you.
Thank you so much, and congratulations. Please be seated. We look forward to having more young people joining the industry. Now would Dr. Tang please proceed to this side of the stage, and we're going to reveal the winner for the Silver Award in this category. And the Silver Award goes to iLab at Hong Kong U, the finest lab that catalyzes construction digital transformation. Please put your hands together and congratulate our Silver Award winner. Affiliated to the Faculty of Architecture of Hong Kong U, iLab is positioned as an urban big data lab to take the opportunities and challenges and instigated by the global visions of Smart City and Industry 4.0. Now we would like to invite your team to give us an acceptance speech.
Okay, thank you. We appreciate CIC for recognizing our work, and the iLab is the construction big data and informatics hub at Hong Kong U, and we deliver theoretical breakthroughs and also pilots the practical innovations on BIM automation, GIS, LiDAR, IoT, blockchain, deep learning. So a very long list. And we catalyze the construction digitalization transformation with our long-term partners. And we cannot make today's achievement without them. They include the public bodies such as HKHA, CIC, LSCM Center, BSI Hong Kong Chapter, and EPD, CEDD, Plan D, URA. And also private corporates such as Government Construction, PowerY, Northcroft, Geosys, and Hipsing, etc. So besides we send new professors to the universities, we also train the top-tier talents to the industry. For example, Dr. Liu has worked for CIC for 2 years, and Dr. Liu is currently a principal system engineer at Government. So if you have a hawk eye, you can see that Dr. Liu come to the stage twice. So today, for him, it's a win-win event. Win twice. Yeah, and also I think today is a win-win event for the construction stakeholders, all the stakeholders. So yeah, we agree with Engineer Lai that overall and in the long run, the digitalization is not a job killer. It's a job nurturer and betterer. So we look forward to work with everyone here for co-creating a more digitalized and a better future. Okay, thank you all.
Thank you very much, and congratulations once again. Please be seated, and thank you for nurturing the new generation for the industry for us. Now, when Dr. Tang is ready, we're going to reveal the Gold Award winner for this category. And this very important award goes to the Hong Kong University of Science and Technology. Please welcome them on stage. Congratulations. The Hong Kong UST BIM Lab has an outstanding track record in the theoretical and applied research. Until now, it has published over 250 international journals and conference papers in these fields. Now let's welcome all of the team members to come on stage for this photo together, accepting the Gold Award for this category. Okay, now let's smile for the camera at the center. And at this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, please also put your hands together and thank Dr. Tang for presenting the awards for us. Dr. Tang, please be seated for now, and we'll have you share your acceptance speech.
Okay, thanks Dr. Tang, and thanks CIC and the OC and also the judging panel for this very important award. We are very honored and very glad to receive the award for the Hong Kong University and also the BIM Lab. It's very meaningful and encouraging. We also want to sincerely thank all the collaborators and also all the colleagues for the support, and we will continue to work hard to be the bridge between the industry and academia. Thank you very much.
All right, thank you very much and congratulations again. Now would all the team members please proceed off stage, and our representative will remain on stage to share with us how they nurture our future generation with the digitalization technology. And now, over to you. Thank you.
Okay, good morning. Okay, so thank you all for staying until the very end of the event. And again, thanks CIC for this very meaningful award. I'm Jack Chen from Hong Kong University of Science and Technology. And in the following, I would like to share with you our journey about construction digitalization at Hong Kong University in 4 different aspects. One is about the institutional adoption, and also the education, research, and also the events. Just a very quick summary of myself. I have been involved in not only the academia, but also actively involved in the industry, because I hope that we can be the bridge between the industry and also the academia. We hope to bring the research to the practice to solve the actual problem. And at the same time, we want to bring the industry needs to the students so that we can do some meaningful education, also research. So in the following, I would like to first start with the very exciting experience for us to make the whole Hong Kong University campus to be a digital twin. We started this effort in 2019, and we are the first university to have the digital twin for the entire campus. It's not easy because we need to lobby with many different divisions and for all the drawings, etc. But we are very fortunate to have the blessing from the president, so that even now our president of Hong Kong University knows what is BIM. The work that we have done in the past 2 years is that we have convert all the 60+ buildings on campus to BIM, and then we also have changed all the 20,000 rooms with a unified room attribute, so that we can do the space management. For example, if we want to know what's the amount of the space for each department, we don't have a charging scheme right now, but at least we know whether our campus has been used strategically. And we also have the app so that we can try to use the digital twin and communicate with the sensors, etc. We find that people very important. So that's why we have tried to collaborate with different departments, including FMO, the sustainability unit, and different research groups working on sensors, etc., so that we can connect different kinds of the works from different teams to our digital twin. And we also are very thankful about the collaboration by the different colleagues. We also try to not only use the digital twin for the operation, we also use it for education. We have the BIM models, and then we share the BIM models to our students so that they can use our BIM models for the class project, for different simulation like the CFD, etc. And this is an example that our students can make use of the BEAM model that we have established for some kind of innovative idea for energy optimization. We also have some future plan, or actually something that we are working on. One is we try to integrate BEAM with the building management system so that we can help their operation, so that we can save carbon and electricity, and also we can support their maintenance planning. We also try to integrate ideal twin with the better visualization. We have set up many different points for the panoramic images, so that through the ideal twin, then we can see the different rooms, different natural theaters in a better view. We also want to enhance the walkability. So that's why we use the dual twin to do different simulation. And we also have been working with relevant parties so that with the B model, we know from one location to another location what is the shortest path. And this one will be something similar to the Google map, but in the pedestrian version. And this is something that will be quite exciting because we consider different user group and then consider their own needs and then try to see whether it can be realized. And another thing we are also working on is about robotics. What we are trying to do is whether we can use some maybe inspection robots like robotic dog, and then we use the dual twin to train up the robotic operation. With that, then we can see whether those algorithms will be feasible, and then we can also identify which zone the robots can walk, etc. And this is something that we hope the dual twin can be the skeleton to support further research. So our lesson learned is that we find that people are very important, upper management support, and also the working level support are very important. And also, we find the standardization are very important. For example, if we want to do the room space management, then we need to unify all this, and these are actually a lot of work. Good that we have a student, and some people say that students are cheap labor, but I think that this is also a mutual learning process that we can actually learn from industry, and industry also can give the more insightful direction to students and to academia. We also, communication very important, and we also found out that we should start from some pilot site and then have the best practice and then have a bigger scope. We also find that we should do by learning, okay? And then, we try to learn, and then we want to get our hands dirty, okay? And we are very happy that we have received the BEAM Award project for this Hong Kong University Dual Twin last year, and thanks CIC for that. And our vision is using the Dual Twin as the core so that it can support different IoT, different research, different operation, etc. And we will also apply this one to our new campus in Guangzhou. We have a new campus in Nansha, which will be 2 times bigger than the Hong Kong University in Hong Kong. And then we have recruited students already, and they will have the so-called campus brain. That means they have a big screen showing the operation of the whole campus. And this BEAM concept actually the DNA of that. So after talking about the Hong Kong University Dual Twin, which actually transformed not only our lab, our students, but also the other colleagues in other divisions, I will also am happy that I have been involved in education. For example, we make BIM as compulsory for all the engineering students so that they know BIM, and then they also have some hands-on experience of like Civil 3D and Revit. We also have started the BEAM course since 2010 for the postgraduate students. And at that time, we only talk about the basic BEAM, but as I mentioned in different occasions, it's actually quite tiring to teach BEAM because I need to update the lecture notes every year. And the lecture notes is thicker and thicker every year, especially about the BEAM. And CIC have done a lot of things, a lot of standard, etc. And then I keep updating all this. And this is something that exciting. It means that the student also can have the latest technology and they also get excited and then try to go to the industry. We also have the class project, which try to embrace the innovation so that they have idea about, they learn the basic technique like BIM, open BIM, etc., AI, and then they, through the class project, can really apply to solve different problems. And you can see some example, like maybe the class project we had this year. They talk about the COVID-19 using BIM to simulate the ventilation, something like that. We also have been organizing different events, for example, conferences or workshops or even trainings. And we also co-organize with some organizations like the SCC or the AIAB, AB, etc., to educate our industry and also the students about the digitization. And I think this is actually very useful so that we can close the bridge. About research, as I mentioned, we use BIM as the core and then link with different technologies like the AI, the GIS, the BMS, etc. And then if you want to have all the full list of the publication, then you can go to this Google Scholar and then you can take a look on that and I can share more individually. But I would like to share some particular problem that we have done. For example, we are very fortunate to work with CIC under the funding of the CIC R&D Fund on the BIM for the rebar, the design, and also fabrication. We also have been working with different collaborators. For example, as Eric mentioned, we have been working with ATEL on the drone development, carrying glider, and then we rebuild the BIM model. We also have been working with the airport authority on the use of the wireless sensors to monitor the railway. We also have been working with HIPAIN and others, China Harbour, on the blockchain for CDD, and also working with Arab on the use of the BIM for the ventilation design, ensuring the IAQ. So I would like to take this opportunity to thank all the collaborators, and I hope that we can have more meaningful research in the future. So the last is, I want to thank the collaborators, supported organizations, funding agency, and also the team for all this hard work and all this exciting opportunity for us to do something meaningful. And at the end, I hope that we can advance the unlimited possibilities, we integrate, we innovate, and we inspire. And we hope that we can join hands and then work together to make a better construction industry in Hong Kong and also in the world. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, and congratulations once again to the Hong Kong UST team. And ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together once again to all the award winners for their outstanding work and all your product ideas as well. Thank you so much. Now, I'm not sure about you, but if you're ready to take on the digitalization journey after listening to the successful stories from our award-winning teams, I'm sure the construction industry, though, is ready. For this, CIC is going to launch the Construction Digitalisation Roadmap for Hong Kong. And now, please join me and welcome on stage Architect Donald Choi, Chairperson of CIC CDA Committee, to come on stage and share with us the details of this roadmap. Please welcome Architect Choi. And now over to you.
Chairman KK, judges, distinguished guests, award winners, ladies and gentlemen, my heartfelt thanks for your support and stepping forward to become the leaders in innovation and digitalization for our construction industry. I am honored to be in this ceremony and witness the amazing achievements in digitalization of the winning projects and organizations. Today, I proudly present to you the CIC Construction Digitalisation Roadmap for Hong Kong to share with you the vision and the pathway towards smart construction. We have started our construction digitalization journey. In the coming years, we shall work together to achieve our vision and build smartly for Hong Kong. The initiative of developing a construction digitalization roadmap was brought up late last year. The CIC swiftly established a task force on construction digitalization to steer the directions and make recommendations on the development, the implementation of construction digitalization in Hong Kong. One of the major tasks was to provide expert input to the development of a construction digitalization roadmap and its continuous improvement to meet industry's needs. I'm grateful to be the chairperson of this task force and to be able to work with all these great minds and experts from government bureaus, URA, professional bodies and organizations, and academia, as well as practitioners from our industry. Starting from December last year, we had gone through many rounds of individual interviews, stakeholders engagement forums, and consultation to gather your views on construction digitalizations, and have listened to your suggestions to improve the draft roadmap. We must thank all of you who had contributed by participating in the interviews, surveys, engagement forums, or other consultations, and provide valuable suggestions for our considerations. I thank all of you for your participation and adding to the numbers shown on the slide. Without your insight, the roadmap would not be as robust and relevant. Now, after months of hard work, here is the construction digitalization roadmap at a glance. First and foremost, the vision. Smart construction empowered by digitalization. It is a shared vision from the industry, as evident by all the amazing award-winning awards and presentations. In our roadmap, there are 6 high-value digitalization application areas, 9 core strategies, and 40+ recommended action items that aim to improve all processes involved in the built asset life cycle. We shall streamline and digitalize so we can continuously improve productivity, quality, and safety during planning, design, construction, and operation, and improve sustainability for better quality of life. We examined the value and readiness of innovation technologies and holistically reviewed them from a built asset lifecycle perspective and established the 6 high-value digital application areas to be focused on. The first digital application area, DA1, is smart data sharing, whereby integration of BIM and GIS, CSDI, and CDE form the core of the construction digitalization. The adoption of CDE will be an important factor for the industry to harness the benefit of digitalizations for collaborations and information exchanges. Leveraging open data shared by the government, as well as encouraging the industry to share useful data, are key to the success of construction digitalizations. I'll give you some examples for each DA now. DA1 is about smart data sharing. We are going to focus on CSDI, CDE, and open data. We all know the importance of data nowadays. The government has established the CSDI to share data with the general public on a city level, and the CIC would form a liaison group with the Development Bureau to facilitate the collection and release of spatial and textual data in an agreed and standardized format. Common data environment at different project stages and its integration with GIS will be crucial for effective collaboration and communication. Data sharing could not be called smart without open data and data standard for sharing. The BIM Horizontal Harmonization Project by the CEDD will be finalized soon. It is an excellent example of smart data sharing whereby the works departments harmonize the BIM GIS information to be shared. A BIM data repository will be established for effective and efficient information exchange among bureaus and departments. For DA2, smart planning and design, examples are BIM GIS integration for engineering and environmental analysis, underground utility study, and space management of planning and design, and environmental impact assessment, such as air quality impact assessment and visual impact assessment. With the advancement in BIM and GIS, it has become easier to use BIM and GIS with appropriate digital analysis tool to perform the above assessment, and as well as many other assessment and report and studies in the planning and design stage. We should all make use of the available spatial data in project planning and in sustainable building design. DA3 is smart submission with BIM. Obviously, one of the most important examples of the DA is the submission of plans generated from BIM model together with BIM to facilitate plan processing by the regulator. In fact, the CIC has established a task force on BIM submissions to BD, with pilot projects for submission with BIM already in place, and we will document the challenges and lessons learned for practitioners' reference. Another example is the use of BIM-based automated building code checking tools to facilitate submission of GBP. This could save a lot of manpower and time with a few clicks of buttons in preparing GBP for submissions, especially when changes to the GBP are as always inevitable. Once our plans are approved by authorities, we will move to the construction stage with DA4 and DA5. We named DA4 as Smart Offsite Fabrication and Delivery. All of you know that DFMA, MIC, and MIMEP, which we aim to shift most of the construction activities away from the construction site for better quality control and use of machinery. All of this could not be possible without the use of BIM and digital technologies for design and simulation of the installation before fabrication. Although COVID-19 brought difficult times for the whole world, especially for us, it enabled faster digital transformation of the construction industry. Nowadays, as it is not convenient to go to mainland China for inspecting off-site fabricated units, we conduct off-site inspection through online platforms or video telephony. With the use of GPS and RFID, we could track the delivery of off-site fabricated units to the construction site with high accuracy and avoid human error. Aside, we have DA5, Smart Site Management. There are many activities going on at site in any given working day. Therefore, we have a lot of opportunities to leverage digital technologies to enhance the efficiency and quality of these activities. The use of drone, laser scanner, and robotic total stations could be used for accurate layout scanning and measurement on site. Planning and sequencing of construction works could be done easily with 4D BIM to simulate the works. For safety and health management, VR safety training is quite common now. The use of wearable IoT devices are being used to improve safety on site by giving out warnings when near a potential danger zone. All these are examples of the many digital applications in DA5. Finally, we are at the operation and management and maintenance stage, and the last digital application area, DA6, smart assets and facility management. The essence of DA6 is to collect information for smarter management of our assets and facilities. The very first step for smart AM/FM is to have our as-built BIM models either carry forward from construction or scanning existing assets and converting it into a BIM model. With the as-built BIM model, we could add IoT sensors to collect the information we need to manage our built assets effectively. For example, the Urban Renewal Authority has developed an urban renewal information system, which is a GIS-based integrated and shared platform for effective and efficient information management and sharing within the organization. Data collected during the operation of a built asset could be used for building performance and sustainability management, like what we have been doing in the CIC Zero Carbon Park. Heritage information modeling is worth especially mentioned, as there are many historical buildings in Hong Kong to be preserved through the use of BIM and GIS. For this, Architectural Services Department has been doing some very good works, including using the heritage information modeling for the Victoria Peak Fire Station and the Peak Police Station. We have also set out 9 core strategies to support the construction digitalizations in Hong Kong. The first 4 are actually rated the most important when we did a polling during our stakeholders engagement forums. These are strategies including the policy, changing mindset, standards and reference materials, and capability and capacity building. Policy making is really important in driving innovation in the construction industry. Over the years, we have seen our government put forward key policy to initiate the transformation, and we thank government for their support, like mandatory BIM and digital works supervision system. Next, we must also foster a mindset-changing culture to break down the information silo in our industry. Once we have policy in place and mindsets changed, the other supporting strategy will thrive. These are the 5 remaining core strategies, namely funding support, research and development, data production and cybersecurity, promotion and showcasing, and global competitiveness. I shall not go into the detail one by one due to the time limit, and I hope all of you will read the full report to get more familiar with our strategies. Now, as I mentioned, there are 40+ recommended action items in the roadmap. All the action items are summarized in this slide. you could see that we have many, many tasks to do along our journey. Let us walk hand in hand to drive digitization in our industry together. So what are our targets and goals? Our targets are clear and bold. By 2026, all public and private projects with estimates more than 300 million Hong Kong dollars should have 100% adoption of digitization, 100% adoption of digital tools in site supervision and monitoring, 100% adoption of BIM, and 100% adoption of CDE. And for the whole industry, 100% BIM training target achieved. Today, we are also launching the Construction Digitalization Dashboard. The dashboard will keep track of the digitization progress of our industry by providing the most up-to-date and important information related to construction digitalizations for our stakeholders. Apart from digitalization survey results and status updates, the dashboard will also include today's award-winning projects for sharing, MIC projects in Hong Kong, statistical information of the CITF, and the demand and supply of BIM personnel in Hong Kong at a start. We will keep the dashboard updated, and we welcome your suggestions as well as data to enhance the dashboard. Going forward, the CIC would bring the recommended action items of all the DAs to relevant board committee for implementation to advance the construction digitalization in Hong Kong. The Task Force on Construction Digitalization will continue to review and adjust the actions whenever necessary in order to achieve the 2026 KPIs. We will carry out a midterm review in 2024 to gauge the progress of construction digitalizations in Hong Kong and make essential enhancement to the roadmap if necessary to bring the vision closer to fruition. To conclude, let me announce that the CIC Construction Digitalization Roadmap for Hong Kong and the Construction Digitalization Dashboard have been successfully launched today. Please download the roadmap and let us join hands to bring our industry to new heights through digitalization. Once again, congratulations to all the awardees, and thank you for leading our industry in advancing construction digitalization to build a smarter and better Hong Kong. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Architect Choi, and congratulations on the launch of the Construction Digitalization Roadmap and Dashboard. We definitely want more industry players to join us and do hand in hand. We'll improve the industry together and kickstart our digitalization journey. Thank you once again and congratulations. Now, before we conclude today's event, of course, may we have the honor to invite Engineer Albert Chang, Executive Director, Construction Industry Council, to the stage for a closing remark. Please welcome Engineer Chang.
Chairman KK, Vincent, Donald, judges and participants of the CIC Construction Digitalisation Award, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your patience. On behalf of the Construction Industry Council, thank you for attending the CIC Construction Digitalisation Award 2021 presentation ceremony today. Thanks to Donald again for leading the Task Force on Construction Digitalizations in developing the Construction Digitalization Roadmap and gave us an overview just now. Now, in the National 14th Five-Year Plan, it indicates a clear support for Hong Kong's development into an international innovation and technology hub, better integrations into the overall development of the country, as well as the deepening of the cooperation between mainland and the Hong Kong in innovation and technologies. I believe that In the coming years, the construction industry will undergo major changes with the advancements in technology, especially digitalizations. Although this is the first ever Construction Digitalization Award organized by the CIC, it has received a very encouraging response from the industry. It shows that there are many pioneers in our construction industry who have successfully adopted and implemented advanced digital technologies. Congratulations to all the winners. You are the leaders in digitalizations. Your variable knowledge and experience will definitely motivate the industry to move forward these correct directions in a faster pace. May I urge the audience and those who are now watching online to make a firm commitment today to learn, to adopt, and to promote the digital technologies, the BIM, the CDE, the IoT, AI, DWSS, etc., the planning, design, project management, site supervisions, quality and safety control, facility management of all your projects on hand or in the pipeline. Please bear in mind, modernization or die is what construction industry is facing. Last but not the least, congratulations to all the winners again. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Engineer Chang. Please be seated. Thank you. Like what Engineer Chang just said, CIC strives to make Hong Kong's construction industry safer, greener, more efficient, and of better quality. We organize a wide range of industry events and public activities through the year to achieve this goal, such as Construction Month 2021, and another industry award, CIC Outstanding Contractor Award, which its award presentation ceremony will be held on the 2nd of December. The theme for CIC next year will be innovation, featuring our triannual flagship, the Construction Innovation Expo in December. Meanwhile, if you're looking for an opportunity to stretch your muscles, please join us for the first construction industry esports games. Now, at this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to conclude our event today at CIC Construction Digitalisation Award 2021 presentation ceremony. Thank you very much once again for joining us, as well to our online participants. Thank you so much for joining us. Have a fabulous day, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.